Hello everyone, today I'm reviewing this remote controlled helicopter that I got for Christmas, and just wanted to show you what it does. It's a really cute little helicopter with the lights on and everything, quite realistic. It comes with a remote control, looks like this, and 3 AAA batteries is included, and also the helicopter is you can plug it in, it's chargeable. So let's just show you what it does. So I'm powering on the remote here, and that gets it spinning. And here it is in flight mode. Oh, somebody doesn't know how to fly a plane. Anyway, I guess it takes some practice. So anyway, that's it in flight, and yeah, super cute.